Hi dear students, let's see this question that came in KVPY 2019 essay part 1 physics paper. The question is very easy, just that you should know how rainfall is measured. So basically in this question it is given that Mumbai requires 1.4 into 10 to the power 12 liters of water annually. Now the surface area of the Bombay is given and it is given that it receives 2.4 meters of rainfall annually. We will shortly see what does this statement mean. If 10% of this rainwater is conserved, that means we are just saving 10% of this rainfall. Then how much percentage of this, how much percentage of the required water will this rainfall be able to meet? So, for example, if this is the required water for Mumbai per year, so how much percentage of this requirement can the rainfall itself meet? This is what we have to find. Also, remember that only we are conserving 10% of the rainfall. Okay, now let's understand how is rainfall measured. So what does this 2.4 meter means? This means that if this is the area of Mumbai and if we collect whole rain, so basically the height up till which rain water will be filled up. Okay, suppose Mumbai, the surface area of the Mumbai was, like we create a container which has a surface area equal to that of Mumbai, right? So suppose this is the container whose surface area is that of Mumbai, and we start filling water in this. We start collecting rainfall in this. So the height up till which it will be filled is 2.4 meters. This is what does this statement means. Okay, so now how much percentage of this how much percentage of requirement, which is 1.4 into 10 to the power 12 liters, can be fulfilled by this much rainfall, and only 10% is available. So first let us see how much rainfall is available. Okay, so rainfall available is basically 600 kilometer square. If you multiply that by 10 to the power 6 to convert into meter square, so this is the area of the Mumbai in meter square multiplied by 2.4. So this is the total rainfall that happens per year, volume of water that falls on Mumbai per year. Only 10% of this is available, so we multiply this by zero point 0.1. So we can say that this much rainfall is available, right? This much rainfall is available to us. Okay, and if you divide this by the required value, so this is 1.4 into 10 to the power 12 liters. So if we convert this into meter cube, so you'll have to multiply this by 10 to the power minus 3, because 1000 liters is 1 meter cube. Okay, now if you solve this, so basically let us see how what we are going to get over here. So 10 to the power 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 and 1 gone, so 7. So in numerator we have 10 to the power, basically this is 6 into 2.4 into 10 to the power 7, right? And in the denominator we have 1.4 into 10 to the power 9, right? So what do we get? It's approximately, if you see, 24 into 6 is how much? 14.4, right? 14.4, right? 14.4. Okay, and this is 10 to the power 7 divided by, so this is 14.4 into 10 to the power 8, or 14.0 rather, not 14.4, 14.0 into 10 to the power 8. So we can say that this is approximately, you can see that this will cancel out approximately, so this will come out to be zero point 0.1, like nearly. So we can say that 10%. Okay, 10% of the requirement can be fulfilled by this much rainfall approximately, right? So I hope you would have understood. Nothing difficult about this, just that you should know how rainfall is measured. Okay, that's it. Thank you.